Hello, good morning. Let's sing a new song for good morning. And we say, good morning, good morning, good morning, students. Good morning, good morning, good morning, teacher. How are you today? I am very good. I am very happy and ready to learn. Good morning, good morning, good morning, students. Good morning, good morning, good morning, teacher. How are you today? I am very happy and ready to learn. Very good. I love that new sound. Let's review the days of the week. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Days of the week, 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 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Very good. So, we are talking about what? You remember? Very good. About the nouns. And we learn that the nouns are what? You remember? Let's sing the song. Nouns, 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 nouns. They are words that are used to name a person. Nouns, 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 nouns. They are words that are used to name a place. Very good. Nouns, 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 nouns. They are words that are used to name a thing. Nouns, 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 nouns. They are words that are used to name a animal. Nouns, 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 nouns. They are words that are used to name a idea. Very good. So we know about the nouns. El sustantivo. Los sustantivos son palabras que se usan para nombrar. Are words that are used to name a thing, an animal, idea, person, or place. Yesterday, ayer, we were talking about singular noun and plural nouns. You remember? Let's review. Singular noun, it means where is one of them, one noun. Singular noun is only a one noun, no two or three, only one noun. For example, let's see. ¿Qué vemos aquí? Tell me. Very good. A park. A park is one park. No two or three. There is one park. Very good. Next one. Very good. Superhero. We see one superhero. Superhero. Very good. Now, the next one. A flower. A flower is one singular noun. Only one of them. Puede ser cualquier sustantivo, pero solamente es uno, one. A flower, a superhero, and a park. Let's see. Plural nouns. Plural nouns. It means there is more than one. More than one. It could be two, three, or more. For example, the first one. Very good. Cars. Cars. It's more than one. There are one, two, three, and four cars. Cars. Very good. It's a plural noun. Next one. What can we see here? Very good. Boats. 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 It's a plural noun. It's more than one. We have one, two, and three. Three boats. Next one. We have what? Very good. Dogs. Dogs. We have one, two, three, four, five, and six. Six dogs. So it's a plural noun. Very good. Let's play. Vamos a jugar. Me vas a ayudar. Vamos a ver. ¿Qué dice aquí? Intenta leerlo. In the first one. School. School. Singular noun or plural noun? Very good. Singular noun. Next one. Mothers. Mothers. Singular or plural noun? Very good. Plural noun. Balls. 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 Singular noun or plural noun? Very good. Plural. This one, it says house. House. House is a singular noun or a plural noun? Very good. A singular. So in singular noun, we have school and house. It's only one noun, one school and one house. Mothers and balls. We have it in plural noun. Mothers, more than one. Balls, more than one. So now you're going to go to your textbook, tu libro, in the page 52, and you're going to work in the part 2 and 3 of that page. Okay? You're going to do it, you're going to work, and you're going to classify, identify plural nouns and singular nouns. Only you're going to do the part 2 and the part 3, la parte 2 y la parte 3. No vas a tocar la 1 ni ninguna otra parte. Okay? So you can do it. Have a good one.